Hostgator is one of the leading web hosting companies, offering a wide range of hosting solutions and domain registration services. There is a link under this video description if you want to buy hosting with discount from Hostgator. Here's an overview of Hostgator web hosting. Types of hosting offered by Hostgator. Shared hosting, ideal for individuals and small businesses. Shared hosting involves multiple websites sharing resources on a single server. WordPress hosting, specifically optimized for WordPress websites. This hosting option ensures better performance and security for WordPress users. VPS hosting, virtual private server hosting, provides more control and resources compared to shared hosting. It's suitable for websites that require more power and flexibility. Dedicated hosting. With dedicated hosting, you get an entire server to yourself, offering maximum control, customization, and performance. This option is best for large websites or applications with high traffic. Reseller hosting. Reseller hosting allows you to start your own web hosting business by selling hosting services to your clients, while Hostgator manages the infrastructure. Domain registration. Hostgator also offers domain registration services, allowing you to register your desired domain name through their platform. Why people choose Hostgator. Reliability. Hostgator is known for its reliable hosting services, with minimal downtime and a robust infrastructure. Affordability. Hostgator offers competitive pricing for their hosting plans, making it accessible to individuals and businesses with different budgets. Ease of use. Their hosting platform is user-friendly, with tools and resources to help beginners get started quickly. Customer support. Hostgator provides 24/7 customer support via phone, live chat, and email, ensuring assistance whenever you need it. Scalability. As your website grows, Hostgator offers scalable hosting solutions to accommodate increasing traffic and resource requirements. Pricing. Hostgator's pricing varies depending on the type of hosting and the plan you choose. They offer affordable options for shared hosting, with plans starting as low as a few dollars per month. VPS and dedicated hosting plans are priced higher due to the increased resources and performance they provide. Join Hostgator. If you're looking for reliable hosting with a variety of options to suit your needs, consider joining Hostgator. You can find the link to join Hostgator in the video description below. Go to Hostgator today and get a big discount, link in video description. Thank you for watching our video.